Hi guys, it's Ashley, and for today's video I went to Target and I bought some stuff from there, and the first thing that I bought that I thought looked really cute was the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I created this whole look with this palette. And for the eyeliner that I used is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints liner. My fingers are gross, but yes, this palette was just $13, which I think is a great price because, I mean, the colors are really bright. So, I mean, that was a good buy. And all the makeup that I used was drugstore makeup, but except the contour kit that I used, I didn't have one. So I just used the Anastasia contour kit. But other than that, everything that I did here was all drugstore. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and did my face off camera. So now I'm just going to go in with the Morphe Y19 brush. And I'm going to take the color that's right here, this coral color. And I'm just going to put it on my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Y18 and use this hot pink color. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner and bring it in. Now I'm going to go in with these two yellows, and I'm just going to put it, well, I'm going to use the Morphe Y20 brush, and I'm just going to put them in this inner middle part. So I'm going to go in with a white liner, but I'm not going to use the NYX one. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Paints liner. And my camera doesn't want to focus. So I'm just going to go in and do like an outside line and then go up and over on my crease. Now I'm just going to go back with the white 18 and get the hot pink color and kind of blend it on my bottom lash line. I'm going to take Y21, this flat brush, and go with the hot pink and do the same thing. Then I'm just going to go in with this big fluffy brush, Y1, and just then I'm just going to go with mascara and put my lashes on. So as I wait for that to dry, okay, so I did one eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll come back and I'm gonna add some other details to it. Okay, so I got this side done. Now I'm just gonna recreate what I did down here, right over here, and then add my lips. And I think I should be done. And I'm gonna use the color, the hot pink color in here. I'm gonna make like lightning bolts with it. These don't have to be perfect because we're just gonna go with the white eyeliner and trace like an edge of the side because it's kind of thick. I thought the right side was going to be easier to do. It's kind of hard. You have to be real steady. So now I'm going to go in with the yellow in that palette. Okay, so I went ahead and did half of my lips off camera, but I'm just going to show you what I did to the bottom lip. So I just lined my lips and colored it in with the NYX eyeliner, and I just colored it in pretty much. Then I'm using the NYX palette with the hot pink color that I've been using, and I'm just going to color it in. Now I'm going to go with the white eyeliner and kind of just like line my lips. I'm going to do like a lightning thing. Nah. Just going to do like little lines. And I'm going to line the outline. Just going to go in with this liner. So then I'm gonna go in with the, the blue on the palette, which is this one. I'm gonna do the same thing I've been doing. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I think it looks so cute. I would do this again, but I probably wouldn't wear it out in public. But, I mean, the colors are bright. I really like the palette. It's really good. I made a mess. But, I'm going to try another look one day with, you know, the purples, see if those are good. But, yeah, this is the look. Alright, so I'm going to end this video, and just like if you guys liked the look, comment down below if you guys want to see something else, or just comment because you think looks cute. But don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!